Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. We're doing a basic cleanup today, just trying to tidy up all throughout the house. Now, my kitchen area is a total disaster. You guys can see there's so many dishes. I will be doing a little bit of decluttering, especially junk drawer, because it looks tragic. It has just piled up with so much stuff. So today will be basically a quick, speedy clean.
You got me go. You don't understand. You got me go. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be.
So the day before, it was just such a hectic day. I kind of ran around all day with my kids. We just had activities. We had a few just like appointments and things that we had to get to. And by the end of the night, the house just kind of fell apart. We primarily focused on just hanging out with the kids. We played a lot of board games the night before. We watched some stuff on TV. We even ordered takeout. We had some Chinese food, which was delicious. And like I said, we wanted to really focus on quality time with them. And so with that, I ended up neglecting pretty much everything. It's like I said, it all fell apart. It's okay because this morning, got up, cleaned, and it got my house into a presentable shape.
Something better. Wait a second. I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stay too much 'cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. 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 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though
I have two small kids, so there's just a ton of picking up to do after them, especially toys. Now, they are 5 and 7, and they are really getting better at picking up their own stuff. But like I mentioned earlier, we just had such a fun night that everything just became messy. And you know what? That's okay because we made a lot of great memories last night, and we just had so much fun.
going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up in this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. 'Cause my heart just broke and I need my
I am going through this huge kick that I'm constantly using my Roomba. I'm so in love with it recently. It has saved me so much time. Now, it doesn't do such a good job as a regular vacuum would, but it does enough that it picks up the crumbs all over the floors. So it does save me some time on a daily basis. And you guys can see what it's picked up. Now I vacuumed the day before, and this is just one kind of sweep around. Picked up all of that dog fur and all of that dust and dirt. Bookcases from IKEA or shelving units, I'm not sure what they're entirely called, but these ones with the cubbies are the best. I have a huge one in my office, and if you follow my channel, then you know I use it for toys, and it does such a great job on organizing like the smaller toys. Right here, we're using it as like a media console. My son has all of his video game stuff in there. We've got a ton of the outlets, chargers, things like that, and some of the other ones. So love these. Love this from IKEA. It was my husband's birthday about a week ago, and my friend thought it was hilarious to get her a stud finder. Everyone who sees my husband always calls him a stud, so this is like a little inside joke, and he loved it.
We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love.
So many dishes to do. This is like 2 days worth of dishes, and many times I do way better keeping on top. Like I said yesterday, it was a super busy day, and it just kind of fell apart. We just have so many dishes here. That's okay. I'm going to tackle this on, get everything clean, put away finally. And I am taking that little basket from the air fryer. I am going to let that soak with hot water, some soap, and I'm going to throw a little bit of vinegar in there to see if it helps remove a ton of the grease.
We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer.
Junk drawer has gotten completely out of hand, so today is the day I'm going to organize it. A lot of the stuff is actually my kids' things that have been thrown in there as I'm cleaning, or they have thrown in there's like miscellaneous things. My daughter's got a bunch of scrunchies and stuff in there, a few little toys. So I'm going to go ahead and separate all their stuff, give it back to them, have them put it in their toy boxes, organize it themselves, and I'm going to go ahead and organize all the things that belong in this drawer. So I've got a few band-aids, I've got scissors, I've got pens, erasers, things that we kind of use on a daily basis. And I actually use this baking mat, this like a silicone mat. I haven't used this in baking forever, so I actually put it on the bottom of the drawer to protect the drawer from getting like super dirty or all of the pencils just kind of staining the wood.
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, and we parted. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us.
Organizing and putting everything away. I even grabbed a few other baskets to make sure that it's really super organized into category. Now I'm gonna go ahead and refill the air freshener, or I don't know, the Wallflowers. Basically, they're from Bath and Body Works, and I am obsessed with the Wallflowers from Bath and Body Works. Now I'm kind of going through my stash, and most of the stuff is actually Christmassy and fall scented, so I do have to stock up pretty soon. But I did find my favorite scent, which is the white tea and sage. I'm like obsessed with that scent. I love everything. I love all of their soaps in it and everything. So one of my next purchases will definitely be lots more Wallflowers for spring and for summer.
For me, yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
Super grateful if you gave this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Check out the next few videos that will be coming out. I will be doing a spring cleaning video hopefully soon with lots of decluttering and lots of organizing.